What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Pat, and we're back with a backlink tutorial. Today we have a do follow DA-63 website. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to seedandspark.com, and you're going to land on a page like this. So once you're here at the home page, you're going to want to go over to sign up, right? And here you can go ahead and create your account, right? Put in your information, put in your email address, set a password, and select your city. Alrighty, there we go. And then go ahead and unclick that if you don't want to get emails, and click continue. Now for this to work, you will need to verify your email address, so go ahead and go to your email, and I do get it in my promotion tab, so make sure if it's not in your regular email, go ahead and search for it in your promotions tab. Go ahead and verify this account, and now we should be good to go. And what we want to do is you want to go over to your profile, click on your profile, and then go into here and click manage account. And here is where we're going to put our do follow backlink, right? So go ahead and go to the about yourself section, and go ahead and write a nice little section about yourself, and make sure you include your do follow backlink in this section, right? Alright guys, so once you put your article in here, go ahead and include your link. I'm going to use this as my anchor text, so let me insert my link, and then just put your URL to whichever website you want to send this do follow backlink to, right? Go ahead and put my page, press OK. Then we're going to be all set. You can add a picture if you want, but I'm not going to for this example. And then go ahead and put your website again. This is a no follow, but just go ahead and do it, right? No harm done here. Save changes. And then we want to go ahead and check this backlink, right? So go ahead and click on your little profile, scroll down to view profile, and then from here, what we want to do is check for this backlink, right? So we can see we have this nice little piece of about us with your do follow backlink. Let's go ahead and press the mouse bar to check this out real quick. DA-63. Let's go ahead and do follow, and there you go, a do follow backlink from seedandspark.com. And then you also have your other link to your home page, right? So you're getting two links, one do follow, one no follow. So go ahead and try this out, guys, and let me know how it goes for you. Let me know if you're successful down in the comments below. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe for more of these step-by-step tutorial videos about SEO, off-page SEO, on-page SEO, anything to do with SEO or digital marketing. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.